the day following the sharing of an AI-generated image of Donald Trump depicted as the Pope, which was widely criticized, the White House returned to the social media platform X on Saturday with another Trump meme. This time, the image portrayed the president as a muscular, patriotic Jedi. However, the president is notably holding a red lightsaber, which is traditionally associated with the Sith, followers of the dark side. Happy May the 4th to all, including the radical left lunatics who are fighting so hard to bring Sith lords, murderers, drug lords, dangerous prisoners, and well-known MS-13 gang members back into our galaxy, the White House wrote. You're not the rebellion, you're the Empire. May the 4th be with you. From this caption, it might be assumed that the White House intended to depict Trump as a Jedi. Yet, the image shows him wielding a red lightsaber, an emblem of the Sith. This raises questions about whether the White House meant to celebrate or condemn Sith lords, murderers, drug lords, dangerous prisoners, and well-known MS-13 gang members. The image also features Trump in a Jedi robe with exaggerated muscles, set against a backdrop of two bald eagles and the American flag. Trump, who is not Catholic, and the White House faced significant backlash over the weekend after he shared an image of himself as the Pope, which was then reshared by the official White House account. The New York State Catholic Conference expressed disapproval on X, stating, "There is nothing clever or funny about this image, Mr. President." They further noted their grief over Pope Francis's passing on April 21, and mentioned that cardinals were preparing for a solemn conclave to elect a new successor to St. Peter. They urged not to mock their solemnity. Trump was also criticized for expressing eagerness to attend the funeral and for wearing a blue suit instead of traditional black attire.